Here is Hearo app, one of the best alternatives to Rave app. It's getting more and more traction. It's super easy to use. Movies are better with friends. Watch TV shows and movies on Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Prime Video, HBO Max, YouTube, and all your favorite streaming services together with your friends with built-in voice and text chat. So yeah, that's the idea. If you want to watch something together on your phone, you can see all of these services: Netflix, YouTube, HBO Max, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Peacock, Paramount, Crunchyroll, and more. And then you just open it up. There is a free trial, but if you want a video chat, ad-free watching, and so on. But then, for example, you can just search for some video. So for example, so yeah, that's basically, you can see some of the videos. So for example, you just see it in here, and then that's basically your party. You can see how it looks like. You can delete your profile, start watching it,